Welcome to my video on real estate investing for beginners, even if you've never tried anything like this before. Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. Investing in real estate can give you better returns than investing in certificates of deposit or other traditional savings instruments. It also allows you to diversify your portfolio of investments. When you invest in real estate, you have a physical asset to show for your investment, unlike in stock markets where it is all on paper or the internet. Real estate investing for beginners does require understanding the market and taking measured steps before you take the plunge. You should not rush into it and must understand market conditions, neighborhood factors, rents that can be available, and how you can hold the value of a property before you sell it again. Do your own research to know the value of properties in the area that catches your interest. You can also take a preliminary step into real estate by buying into a real estate investment trust, as this allows you to invest smaller sums of money. You'll not be able to get the physical property, but you will be assured that the managers of the trust are professionals and experts who know real estate and are spending your money wisely. They will pay you high dividends. Start small is another smart piece of advice that is given to real estate investment for beginners. Start with a small property or one that has a few units. Invest in properties that are in areas that are in demand and can fetch you rents. Here is where buying a vacation rental home can fetch you good rents and also give you a place where you can spend your holidays. Buying a rental property will require some attention to property management, but that can only be a part of your learning. You'll be well advised to put down a substantial amount as a deposit for your property while you take out a mortgage on the rest of the cost. This helps you to get lower interest rates. Your mortgage terms can also be easier if you have a good credit rating. One of the other ways to invest in real estate is to buy a property for a low price, like one in a distress sale or one that has been foreclosed. You must then spend some more money on improving the property and selling it as soon as you have done so. This practice is called house flipping and can be quite lucrative. Also, look at buying commercial real estate as such properties generate higher cash flows. Look out for the next video in the series, How to Invest in Real Estate with Little or No Money. To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-c-k.net/mhbj. And if this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.